extract the information from there. So we can create our own application like that, and we can use this HMS Scan Kit not only to scan. Okay, we can create barcodes here. I mean, QR code also we can create here with the help of HMS Scan Kit. That also I will explain here today's session. And after that, okay, just once you think about Scan Kit, then in your mind you have to think different scenarios where you can use Scan Kit. Payment rate application, social sharing application, and so many other applications. There we can integrate this Scan Kit. Next is Adkit. You know ads. Anyone can suggest which is the first form of ad? Anyone? Different types of ads are there. Nowadays is a mobile advertisement, which so anyone can assume or have any idea about which may be your first type of ads, first form of ad. Nowadays is a mobile ad and different types of ads. You know, very first maybe I think mic announcement. Okay, after that maybe radio, newspaper or radio or television and internet, and now we reach to mobile ads. Okay, so mobile ads have its own facilities, its own features that it can identify user taste. So the user, the ads will reach to only to the correct user side. So normal our all other ads, like some ads like television or newspaper ads will reach to each and every user side. But here in ads, our normal mobile ads have its own feature, like it not reach to all sides. It will reach to only for the correct user side. Okay. So next we'll discuss ML Kit. ML Kit, machine learning kit. So many features are there, machine learning related, like text related service, body related service, okay, and image related service, etc. So language related services also. In this our session, I just explain you very few services only, because different services are available in HMS ML Kit. It's not if I explain entire session, I had to spend for this ML Kit only. So that's why very few things I will explain today's topic. Others you can just explore. You can just go. You can visit our HMS document and you can learn. Okay. And Audio Kit. Audio Kit, the name, as the name, that we can integrate audios in our application. We can use this kit. Online, offline songs also we can play with the help of Audio Kit. All the audio features like play, pause, next, pre, and library manager. So many things are possible here with the help of Audio Kit. And volume up and reduce, increase and decreasing, and different features. So just you have to integrate this kit here in our application and just use some APIs. That's it. So no need to worry about different function and other part, because normally if you are going to create any audio application, we have to think about different features. But here the library itself provide you different features. Just you have to call that particular API after setup. That's it. And I already discussed releasing an app. The final one. Here I will explain you about the releasing part, step-by-step process. Okay, what are things we have to add there, and what are the other images we have to add, upload to the app gallery, the console side before releasing an app. These things, very interesting thing. Okay, I will explain that also. So today we are going to start with Scan Kit. Okay, please watch this video.
In the mobile era, scanning codes has led to a wide range of applications, such as ordering food, viewing products, making payments, and registering for events. Users prefer apps that have a convenient code scanning service, and Huawei Scan Kit is an easy way to do it. Scan Kit provides your app with comprehensive code identification capabilities, since it reads 13 major types of codes used around the world. It covers almost all of the QR and barcodes users encounter in daily life, and under normal conditions, the scan success rate is over 96%. Users don't have to feel worried even when scanning from far away or scanning codes that are damaged, unclear, distorted, dark, or reflective. ScanKit automatically magnifies small barcodes or barcodes from a long distance for accurate identification, rotates codes that are angled, and improves the accuracy of recognizing unclear codes. ScanKit analyzes and extracts information from QR and barcodes and transfers it to developers. With this information, your app can handle various life scenarios better, like connecting to Wi-Fi networks, viewing product information, adding contacts or events, opening a website, or finding a location. ScanKit provides you with 4 kinds of API-integrated modes, which let you adopt a default view mode with a minimum of 5 lines of code to complete the access process. Flexible integration modes help you meet all of your development needs. With Huawei ScanKit, you can quickly build a professional and convenient code scanning function for your app.
Yeah, that's it.
In the mobile era, scanning codes has led to a wide
Iya, kan tadi mau dibetulin, nggak tahunya patah. Ini yang banyak bukti itu.
Yeah, I think it's fine. Some noise. Okay, fine. So you watch the video. So it's explain different scan kit features. Okay, so we'll discuss something here. Just see one by one. Yeah. Huawei Scan Kit scan and passes all major 1D and 2D barcodes and generate QR codes. Means you know different 1D and 2D barcodes like EAN8, EAN13, UPCA, and code 93, code 128, etc. So sometimes you know once in your notebook's backside we can see 1D barcodes most of the case. Okay. And you know, so nowadays if you're purchasing something from market, you can see different types of barcodes, maybe 1D or 2D. So 2D barcodes, you know, these QR codes, quick response code is so common, and other codes, data metric, asterisk, etc. So it will support each and everything. So we can create this 1D and 2D barcodes with the help of this scan kit, and not only create, we can extract the information from the existing one side also. Okay, and it will work in different situation, like you know, sometime in our barcodes is not clear because some other issues, like you know, some is dirty or blurry or printed on a cylindrical surface, reflective. In these cases, normal scan will not work properly, but here it will work. Okay, and if you're in some more distance also, you can easily scan. Okay, that also so many other features also there. You can read this HMS, you know, document, and will get clear idea about each and every one. And scan kit can be called in multiple ways. First one is default view. Default view is just you think about, you are using normal case, you will scan with the help of camera. Okay, so your camera should have, you have to open, and normally scan option should be there. It open your camera and you have to scan the thing. That's the process. So in this case, you can use default view. So customize, so it's not a customized layout. Default layout will get your site. Okay, so you can customize view, you can customize the layout. Okay, and this one also you can use for camera part. Bitmap. For an example, you have some images in your, QR code, or some images should be there in your gallery or as an any other side. Okay, inside your stored somewhere in your application mobile side. Then you can go with bitmap. Bitmap mode you can use for camera, and also you can use for this some images also. If you would, already stored images also would like to scan, you can go with bitmap. And multiprocessor, same way bitmap mode. You can go with two things, via camera and stored image also you can scan. But multiprocess you can use to scan multiple barcodes or QR codes simultaneously. Okay, so that is the different way, and according to your application you can select. Let me check. Any other comments from their side? Let me check. Okay, fine. So Google form submission, sir, posted, I think, assignment 2 FAD. How many article you posted? According to that, you can share that Medium link also. Okay. You can add your name also there with the article name and Medium link name. Okay. Link URL. I mean URL about that particular article. Article name, URL, and your name also you can add first. Maybe some of you are already completed 2 or 3 article. You can add those all article there, which is a related HMS later only. Okay, so that's it. And after that, here, so already we discussed it support 13 format for most business scenarios. Like if you are going to create some application related to article or product, okay, you can go with these types of kit. You can integrate the mobile payments, social ad friend, join group, or ordering related things. So social ad friend means we can include, we can share some our friend details. Okay, inside a QR code, and we can share this to our another friend, and he can use this QR code to add that person into his group or into his contact list or something like that. So in this way we can use ScanKit in different purpose. So just some use case scenarios we added here. That's it. Okay, already discussed. It will auto zoom in from distance, and it improves success rating. And this also we already covered because it will work in different scenarios: dark, half light, half dark, reflective, colorful, and stretch and curve, and motion blur, oil pollution. Okay, partial shading. In this case also it will work without any other problem. Okay, so just leave this sample because I will just explore you from direct one sample, then you will get idea about this part. So before that, you can see this one. I think I think you can see my developer website, isn't it? My site. I think yes. Here, view document. Okay. So I just explain you apart from this slide how you can learn the thing from HMS document. So once if you are planning to integrate any kit, you can visit like this. Okay, just search about HMS Scan Kit or HMS ML Kit, and you can reach here. And the particular kit should be there. Okay, see here, service introduction. It will explain you very well about this introduction and other part, and in which device it will support. And see here, different format, call mode, default view, as I discussed, scan barcode using with camera, and customize view also, scan barcode using the camera. But we can customize the layout. That's the interesting thing here. Bitmap, scan barcode using the camera or from image in the album. Multiprocessor, same way like bitmap, but multiple barcode can be detected at the same time. So that's the difference. And passing barcode and generating barcode, that already we discussed. It has 2 features. One is passing barcode, second one is generating barcode. Passing barcode means it can extract the information. Information may be Wi-Fi connection information or URL or calendar events or business card. SMS messages, phone number, email address, geographical location, product barcodes, and international standard book number, anything. Okay, so something should be there in the barcode side so that it will extract. Generating, it can generate barcode. Okay, so sorry, let me. Fine. So we discuss passing barcode and generating barcode. After that, so come to here Android, and you can see here preparation step, the same step which we discussed in the first session, second session about account kit integration process. Same thing is there in this side also. So I am not going to discuss. So here you can see integrating scan kit through HMS toolkit. So who are using Arctic Fox, they can use this facility. But Bumblebee side HMS toolkit is not supporting currently. So it will support another within some weeks, but I didn't get any confirmation from HQ side. Once is released, then I will update you. But no need to wait for this one. They can use normal way, but Arctic Fox side users, they can use this one if they are interested. Okay, and developing your app. See here, assigning permission. So assigning permission is one of the important part. Means if you are going to integrate some particular kit, in that kit, for an example, this scan kit need camera permission. So we have to provide this one in Android manifest file, or read external store, means something we had to read from library, okay, or something gallery or somewhere. Then we need this permission. So this is a way to add dynamic permission. Okay, so that also we had to provide here. Dynamic permission means after Android, I think 21 onwards, Google uh, added this part, means dynamic permission. Users should. Okay.
Aduh, aku udah sempat nih. Aduh, sum. Alah, bentar. Ini tolong dibantu dulu. Ini.
Ya, oke.
Madu apa, Ma?
Dikasih sama Mama.
Okay. So after Google actually added this dynamic permission things in the application side, means if you're going to add any permission which is in that category, means dynamic permission category, for an example, camera, read external storage, write external storage, like that, or Wi-Fi, sorry, it is the access file location, course location. If you are planning to add these permission in our application, dynamically we had to provide, means that whenever we are going to some payment application also, they will ask, we had to provide that permission after we whenever we are going to use that particular application. Okay, so we have to allow that one, then only it will allow you to use that facilities. So user also should aware about this part. That's why these things they actually added. So don't forget to add dynamic permission, otherwise it will not work. But it's not required for all permission. Which are the permission are in the dangerous side, dangerous permission. Those permission only need this dynamic permission. You can just search about those permission which is in that particular category. Then you will get a clear idea. Okay, that's it. After that, building scanning capabilities. See here, default view. So what actually saying, very first service process, request scanning. User should request for scanning. Once your dynamic permission and other things are ready, means user provide the permission. Okay, then verify the camera access and file read permission. After that, call the start scan API for scanning. This is a main API here, start scan. It will call here. And after that, it will get the result in the return side, and we can process, we can actually use that result. Okay, and we can use that result to our own way. So step-by-step process is mentioned here. Very first, we had to create an HMS analyzer, HMS scan analyze options instance. And there we have to mention the type, which type of things we are planning to use here. Means QR code scan type, like different types of data metrics or QR code, or that thing we can mention here. Otherwise, we can mention here all type. Okay, that option also possible. I will show you that also in the code. And here, scan util, we had to scan, start scan. We had to call start scan method here. And here we had to mention the option. The option already we created. That's it. So once it's ready, internally it will work and the result will come to here in this particular side. Okay. So it will check the result code. According to the result code is fine. Then you will get the data, and that data, see here, data will be here, and you can use this data in this particular site, and you can use that as your, okay, as your application. You can just pass to some activity, or you can just display there. It's up to you. So this is a way how we actually use this scan kit. And not only this, see here, customized view also the same way the process, but here the customized layout we can create, and all the other things are same. Here we have to initialize remote view. I think anyone ask anything here, please? Okay. So here we have to initialize remote view. So see here how we actually remote view and other things are working here. See, so we have to create a frame layout, and we have to add that region site, okay, rectangle size and other things here. So that's a one other difference here compare layout, normal default view. Other processes are same, but we have to add here the all the life cycle method. Okay, because remote view should also work with life cycle. So we have to add all the life cycle method. And according to that, you can see this, how actually is working. So same way bitmap and other multi-process. Let me check some comments. Okay, fine. I think this. So that's it. And this you try to explore scan kit your site, and very easy you can integrate this with the HMS toolkit, I know. And otherwise directly you can try to use this. I'll run one demo code here my side. Okay. This is QCAP IDE. Okay. And this is I'm just using normally nowadays for to show you this my official device. So if you install QCAP IDE, you will also will get this. Otherwise, it's not possible. Also, some other software also will help you to showcase this your device like this. So this is scan kit demo. I hope you can see my device. Anyone can say yes or no, please.
Yes, I can see.
Yes. So the code is almost same. You can download this code, from where we get the code. I'll explain you that also here. Samples. Okay, see here. Find it on GitHub. You can click and you can download, and you will get the particular demo code, and you can work if you because just work means you can just see the working how it work and what are the main functions they use. Like that, you can explore your side with the help of this sample code. Otherwise, directly you can integrate. It's not a matter. Okay, it's up to you. And once you download, you have to download your own Connect service.json file from your console. Okay, so that one you have to copy and paste into app level folder, and you have to rename the package name with the new package name. These are the main thing once you are going to, so directly it will not work normal case. Okay, you have to download your own Connect service.json first, and same application ID you have to use in your build.gradle file set. Then you can try this samples. Okay, that's it. And after that, see here, default view mode. I'm just going to show you here default view mode. See, I'm just use default view mode, and I just scanning something in my notebook. See here, code format EN13 code, result type product, result something. Okay, and maybe some product related information. Again, I'm just trying customize view mode. See here, customize view mode is there. So this is, customized layout. So it's scanned one QR code and result type website, and it will redirect if I click that particular link, and like if I can use that link, and it will redirect to particular website. That's it. So next, bitmap mode. But before that, I think it's good to create one QR code from our side. So for that, I'm using generate QR code. See here, generate QR code. So barcode contents. Actually, some content we have to mention here. For an example, I'm just going to add something here. ITTS. I think you can see this ITTS HMS Foundation HMS session. Week 3. Okay, ITTS HMS session week 3. That's a content. I just have dummy content. Okay, nothing there. And barcode width and barcode height mentioned there. And type is QR code. If you're interested, you can create some other thing, asterisk or EN8, EN13, whatever. It's not a matter. Okay. So I just going to create a QR code and margin 1, background white, color black. If you're interested, you can create something right, yellow, green or something. Okay, if you need, you can add blue color. Fine, it's not a matter. And after that, generate barcode. I click generate barcode and I'm going to save the barcode. Next, see here, this is a barcode created. Okay, so next my step is I'm just using bitmap mode. Bitmap mode, we can use that to scan. Okay, both options is also possible. We can scan with the camera, or we can use, see here, scan with camera also working, and we can use this bitmap mode to select something from our gallery. So I think root directory, this one, this is the one we created, the top first. Okay, let me check that, pick it. So anyone can see ITTS HMS session week 3, it extracts the information from there. I hope all of you can. Yeah, so this is a simple process. So you will get each and every code and line by line explanation from HMS document. Few of them we already covered, and we had to explain other topic also. So rest of the side in your hand, just try to. Okay. So anyone would like to add anything here, or otherwise I will move to next topic. I think it's fine. Yeah, great. So share screen. Fine. Next, we are going to discuss, ads kit. As I discussed, different types of ads we can create here, like banner ad, and some rewarded ads, etc. Some of the ads we are already aware of. Okay. So before that, just watch this video.
When launching a new app, you definitely want it to gain maximum exposure. If your app has a large user base, you want to quickly monetize the big data traffic your users generate. Advertising is undoubtedly the best way to monetize data traffic and promote your app. By integrating Huawei Ads Kit, your app can access to Huawei Ads and leading advertising capabilities. Through Huawei Ads, you can partner with numerous top advertisers. This will allow you to monetize your app through high-quality ads with high fill rates and high eCPM. Huawei Ads has a strict ad review mechanism, incorporates high-quality ad content, and provides a unified UI design to deliver a consistent experience across different devices. Huawei Ads will give your app access to premium ads while balancing user experience and monetization. Huawei Ads provides advertising services to advertisers. Huawei Ads can analyze a large amount of user-authorized data collected from Huawei devices to help advertisers better understand audiences. Huawei Ads achieves intelligent advertising with the support of Huawei's big data platform and an AI-powered machine learning model. Huawei Ads achieves intelligent advertising with the support of Huawei's big data platform and an AI-powered machine learning model. Innovative ad display models, such as single-tap installs and dynamic native template, hugely enhance advertising efficiency. Moreover, remarketing and lookalike ad recommendation functions support precision advertising, increasing advertising accuracy and ROI. Huawei Ads Kit helps you monetize and promote your app and represents the best choice if you are aiming for business success.
Yeah, that's Ads Kit. So what is HMS Ads? It's a monetization service. Okay, you know very well about that part. We'll get some revenue here. And this have the capability to display targeted and high quality ad content in your apps to the vast user base of Huawei devices. Why HMS Ad? Means a rich source of advertisers, quick and easy start, fantastic user experience, and different mode of ads like banner, rewarded, native, interstitial, splash, and few of them already added in the document that I not added here in this slide. Okay, and what is a banner ad? See here like this, something. We'll get some ads like this. This is a banner ad. It's a rectangular images that occupy a spot at the top, middle, or bottom within apps layout. So most of them are familiar with these types of ads in your different application we are using. And normally these types of ads, we are getting this type of ad normal case. And it not take more space, very short, a small space it will take, like here, this much space, or middle or bottom like that. And there is no distraction, and it automatically refresh at regular intervals. We can also mention the refreshing time. And once we tap that particular, if we tap here, it will redirect to that particular page. Maybe some link should be there inside. Okay, so this way we can use this, and very easy to add banner ad in our application. Rewarded ad. So rewarded ad, I think most of you are familiar with rewarded ad. For an example, if you play some games, you will get something there. For example, your life, actually only 3 life is there in particular game, and you lose each and everything. So after that, you will get some rewarded ad and inform you that please watch this ad, and once you watch, you will get extra 1 life, or maybe extra 2 life, or sometimes it's not be in the life or something. It will be some extra coins or weapon or extra bullet or something. So I know that you are familiar with these types of ads in your different applications, especially in game applications. Okay, so you can create these types of ads in your application with the help of this HMS rewarded ad. Okay, fine. Next is splash ad. Splash. Okay, these ads are displayed immediately after an app is launched. So see, in Google actually is not supporting. So Huawei HMS developer can use the benefit here. This looks like this is a splash ad. Next is native ads. It's a customizable ad. Okay, which will fit seamlessly into the surrounding content to match your app design. And different way, small view and large view with image and large view with video. These are the different type of native ads. See here, the small view. This is a large. Okay, so it's a normally we say this is a customized ad which fits seamlessly into the surrounding content, means to match your app design. So in these cases we can use native ads. Interstitial is a full screen ad, so and can cover the interface of an app. So all the app interface will cover, And normally, different apps ads are there. Whenever user start, pause, or exit an app, we'll get different types of advertisement. So here, in this case, we can use. Okay, here actually industrial ads are working in background, and the full coverage is the features. The main means the full screen ad. That's one of the main feature of this industrial ad. See here how it looks. Next is a very interesting topic: create a merchant service. So you know well about it's for you'll get some revenue here with the help of ads. So for revenue, the developer should provide some details. Okay, that details also we will mention here. And also, if you are you have to create your own ad, then only you can add that ad in your application. Otherwise, you can use some already predefined ads that also you can add in your application. It's not a matter, but how we create your own ads, that we are going to discuss here. Okay, so very interesting topic. First, you have to create a merchant service. Means you already create a developer account. So after that, the same way you will see, log into Huawei developer website, go to console. You can see here like a merchant service option. So you have to click here and you have to provide your bank detail. Means it should provide you a revenue, but it's not mandatory. Okay, I'm not saying you have to create much. It's not mandatory. Nothing mandatory here. It's not a thing. So if you are interested in future, so after if you are plan to create your own ad, that time only you have to go with this step, but it's not mandatory. No need to go nowadays to go merchant service. Okay, so again I'm explaining you that is not a mandatory thing, but I'm just explaining you here because future sometimes it will help you. Okay, so for that, if you are interested, then you have to provide your bank detail because you will get some revenue here with your own ad. So that case, you have to provide your bank details. So normal bank details, what are the information, normal information they will ask about bank name, account name, other things. Each and everything you have to provide them. See here, bank name, branch name, SWIFT code, account name, account number, each and everything. And after that, tax related information means, different countries should be that they use different tax, and maybe VAT or GST, whatever. So which one is following, your country is following, that you have to mention here. That's it. And finally, you have to submit. That's the thing. After that, Huawei Ads Publisher Service Agreement you have to download. So once is created, next step onwards, I will explain you here directly with the help of console. Okay, so let me log in first. So I hope all of you can see here my screen, no other issues. Okay, see here, it's very interesting how we create an ad strategy and other things that we are going to discuss. So see here, monetize service. Just, normally we use distribution and promotion. So just down, we can see monetize service, publisher service. Just click that one. See here, once your merchant service and other things are ready, then only you can access this page. Okay, so that option is not there in my side because I already is actually verified. My account is verified. I got this account. That's why you can but your side you can see those options. Okay, because you are not created yet. So next, traffic management side, you can see my app. These are the apps which I already, created apps. So if you're going to add one more app in this particular category, just you can use add app, source app gallery, and here role type publisher, app type Android app, APK, app name. You can select your app from here in the list. See, so I think we create ITTS demo account. This is the app which we created second week, I mean last week. So mention, if I select this, it by default, it will mention package name, app ID, other details. So this part is not mandatory. You can just leave. SHA-256 certificate fingerprint also I had to mention here. So for that, I had to check my application. Let me check SHA-256 key from here. Otherwise, I have to log in console directly. I will get, okay, no other issues. Anyway, you will get this one. So I just correct this one, my SHA-256, and copy and paste that one here. That's it, and submit it. Say successfully. So add unit. That is the next one. Okay, we can do this later, no issue. Back to my apps. See here, ITTS demo account is added here, and you can see app ID and all other information. Add unit 1 by default. Okay, you'll see that. Not released. Okay, means my status, app status is not released yet because it's not released in app gallery. And next you can see here block ads, different other settings here, operations here. I'm going to add a add unit here. Just click here. There, this is the app name. And if you are interested, you can select the particular, banner or any other image. So just you can click that one. Otherwise, if you're going to create interstitial, you can click that. So select the category. Role ad also added here. Okay, see here. And click next button. And here, add unit name. So add unit name. What is add unit name? Your ad name. So you can add ITTS demo, add something like that. And ad will be in two formats. One is image, another one is text description. You can add your own way. If you have any image, you can upload that image from, your image side. Just see is something like this is your image, then you can add. Fine. And that's it. If you want to go with the text description, then you can add hi or hello something. You can add like this. Anything is fine. So once it's ready, okay, you can save it. Already uploaded. Okay, so save it. See your apps, your ad unit already created, and you can see here add unit name, add ID. So you can copy from here. Otherwise, you can copy from other ad unit side also. Okay, so see here, back to my apps, add another ad unit. Any option you can. If you would like to add one more ad unit, we can again go back. So you can again use this option. So that's it. And add unit side. Just see here, add units. ITTS demo ad, banner. So this is the one which we created now. So you can copy this add unit ID. This one you can use in application. Then this ad will display to the in the particular application side. Okay. So this is the way how we create our own ad, and how we use that ad unit ID. That's we explain here. And you can use this ID. Just copy here, and you can use this one. Now I'm going to open this slide. Okay, see this. So we already explained about this part. Bank details already provide, tax details. After that, see here. We had to download agreement, and after that we had to add app into Huawei Ads Publisher Service. That already discussed. We had to click Publisher Service, and we had to select add app option should be there. We had to select that one, and we had to add our app details there, and we had to provide SHA-256 key. Already we completed these steps. Once it's ready, it will give app ID and other information. We can use add unit option, and it will you add the slot ID. I mean add ID. We can create with the help of this one, and in that one we have to select a form. Okay, add form. maybe it's a banner or native, but that particular format you have to create. Okay, that's it. Resolution also we have to maintain. And this is the way how we create. And once it's ready, it will create an ad slot ID. That one we can use in our application. That's it. So I will explain you the one sample here in my side. See here how ads display in our side. I just explained that one test ad here. This is, yeah, SU account app. See here, this is banner ad. Okay, displayed in application side. So you can see one in the bottom and one is top also, because some loading issue. I added once more. Yeah, you can see two, I think. One is top and another one is bottom. So two types we can add banner. One is programmatically, another one is with the help of layout. I'm going to explain you that here in this application side. Then I think it will be clear. This way you can explore other banner ad also, other ads also, native or rewarded ad, other thing. But at least you have to okay with banner ad. So first see here, main activity. I'm going to display here ads in, this is a code for my banner ads. So what I did means, I think, see here. Okay. So here I created an, layout, normal layout. See here, this is a layout. And this layout, I mentioned entire this layout with the name of ad frame. That's my layout name, layout ID. Okay, sorry, not name. And this is a constraint layout. So with the help of code, what I did means I'm going to add my own ad here. So I created, see here, I create a constraint layout object. Okay, instance I created here and mentioned ad frame. And there I'm going to add ad view. Okay, there I mentioned banner view. The banner view is the instant of banner view. And there I mentioned one ad ID. It's a test ad ID. Okay. And there I mentioned it should refresh in each and every 30 seconds or like that. That's it. And this one I added into, I just called load ad and mentioned this ad param. This way it will load the particular ad. Okay, this is a code for just this much code. And if I'm going to display the ad with the help of normal layout, then only I had to add this much code. Okay, just I had to use this banner view. How I created, just see here. In this code, I added, layout without code. Direct with the layout, we can, with the help of layout, we can add the banner. See here, this is the one. Just I added this much code here. Here I created Huawei ID or but sorry for that. This is the one. com.huawei HMS Ads banner view. I just use this one. And I just mentioned here where I had to display, and I just mentioned ad ID, slot ID unit. Okay, this is a test ID unit, which already created. I just mentioned that much here. And after that, in the code, okay, just yeah. So this is banner view. So we added this layout code here, this much code. You will get this code from document. Okay, and I just mentioned where I have to display, and I just mentioned the ad ID. That's it. And I have to use this one in my program. That's it. It will display normal case. So only this much code is required to display banner ad in your application. And limitation ad, some restriction, no restriction, nothing restriction, no restriction there. We just use minimal ad, then only we'll get a good revenue. If you so many ads we added in our, because 2-3 banner ad and other native ads and rewarded ad, each and every ad we are providing, obviously your user will uninstall your application. So when you're going to give an ad, you should be more clever in this part. Means it's not disturb your audience, your user. In that way, you have to design your app and your ads also. Because some application, you know, if I open one particular button also, if I just press some option, it will display an ad. It will not allow me to do any other operation each and every time. Within 5 minutes or within 2-3 minutes, some more ads will come. So just avoid this type of disturbance, and because audience will not love this one, they surely uninstall that particular application. Okay, so just use smart here, and just think about audience part side also when you're going to create any ads. So I think in future, if you plan to design something, we'll get some revenue. Okay. And anyway, this ad is important nowadays. You know very well about, because both side, merchant side and our side, developer side, both will get some revenue here. Fine. So I just explained the code and how we integrate. Same way, you can visit HMS document and you will get the clear code. You know how we integrate other kits, other ads, and you know different code also they mentioned. I'll explain you that part also. Test code. See here. Visit HMS. Okay. See here. In the document, products, HMS core, HMS Ads Kit. The view documents come to you know here, publisher service, ad format, banner ad. See here, they mentioned clearly about, as I discuss here. Okay, so this way, banner view, how we can add and other thing. Okay, each and every code is there. You can visit and you will get idea. And banner size also mentioned for testing case. Okay, because now we need a test ID, because otherwise you have to create a merchant ID. You have to so many steps. No need to bother about nowadays for your sample project. You can use the test ID here, different test ID. Add test. You can just use this test ID in your application. That's enough. Okay. Same way native ads. Just see here. Native ad side also they mentioned the test ID. Just use that if you are going to integrate, and that's enough nowadays. And future you can come with your own ad unit and other part. But I just explain you for your understanding. Okay, that's it. See here, different test ad unit ID is there. You can use this. Fine. And but one more thing in document, one thing is missed. I just show you that also in my site. Means if you're going to integrate, okay, this banner view by this code, most of the case it will not add this one. Okay, XML HW ads, we have to add this one in the constraint layout first part. I think it's not there in the document, so HW ads we have to add, otherwise it shows some error. So normal case, so let me check that is there or not. Otherwise yeah, it's missed there. No, it's there. Okay, see here. If anyone is going to integrate showing some error, so just try here XML HW ads. This one, you know, this thing you have to add in your layout side. Okay, so don't forget. So by default, you will create one related layout and you will try to integrate, but it will not work. You have to add this one. So don't forget to add this. So that about normal ads. I think you can explore more here. Okay, I think so many things we have to cover. Fine. Next. ML Kit. So ML Kit, as I already discussed, so many different services are there. I'll explain you very few. First, you watch this video. Link. This link is not working. Yeah, this is the one.
With the emerging of diverse services, users are looking for more powerful functions. Huawei Machine Learning Kit can help you improve your app experience even if you don't understand advanced algorithms. Machine Learning Kit has an out-of-the-box feature, so you only need to integrate its SDK into your app. You'll then have access to leading image, voice, and language services that are easy to use, AI-enabled, and intelligent. These services can adapt to all scenarios, various devices, and multiple languages. Machine Learning Kit provides you with excellent visual services, like detecting facial contours and 7 categories of facial emotions in real time. With Machine Learning Kit, users can quickly extract editable text from an image, even if the text direction box is tilted or the words are at a 45-degree angle. On devices, besides Latin, Machine Learning Kit can recognize Chinese, Japanese, and Korean that cannot be recognized by other kits of its kind. On the cloud, it can recognize 19 languages now, but will recognize more in the future. Machine Learning Kit also puts functions like image classification, object detection and tracking, and landmark recognition at your disposal. Supported by Huawei's powerful device-side framework, Machine Learning Kit's algorithms can be processed at a faster speed with general-purpose ARM chips and Huawei's NPU chips. This makes the kit more accurate and quicker than others of its kind. Machine Learning Kit provides both on-device and on-cloud APIs. It can work on both Android OS and iOS, so it is compatible with devices of Huawei and other brands. It's quick and works non-stop even if the device is not connected to the internet. On the cloud, based on the strong computing power, Machine Learning Kit supports more complex scenarios with high recognition accuracy. We'd love to have you use Huawei Machine Learning Kit to develop powerful, intelligent, and user-friendly apps.
So that's it. So I'm going to discuss more about, okay, actually it's using, machine learning features here. And different results different features, different services are coming in day by day there, because we can just see that machine learning kits in our HMS document, and different new services you can see there. And we'll explore something here like text related service. For an example, some text are there in your one image. We can use this text recognition service to extract the text from the particular image. That's text recognition normally. For an example, you actually visit your library, and you would like to note the particular book name, okay, in a text, in a text format, in a string format. But image, it's in the image format, means is things are in the particular image, means maybe your library, your book name. So what you can try, you can just use your application. In that application, you already implement text recognition service. Just use the service with the camera operation. Just extract the string from that particular book, means the title of that or author or whatever. It's not only for this scenario, maybe some traffic related information and some other things. You can use this service, and automatically it will add something, and you can fill form filling and other things. You can use this service. Different scenario, different application scenarios are there. We can explore that in your site. And to use OCR, optical character recognition, basically reads the image character by character and matches the current character with its previously stored data, like human reads, okay, how we read the thing, same way. So many research are going there, different language nowadays supporting. You can try this, it's a very interesting one. Okay, see here. You can use camera, or otherwise some images already you stored. Both you can try here. Okay, both sides will work. To extract the string from that particular image. That's the thing. Document recognition. So the earlier one, it will extract particular word, but here document, entire document you can extract from that. For an example, you are going to prepare some, some assignment or something like. then you are planned to refer some books and something you are already you would like to add that particular content to your assignment or something, or some paperwork. Okay, we can say paperwork. And that time no need to type each and everything one by one. You can use this service, just scan that particular book and extract all the information, that particular one, okay, which you, from where to where you need, and it automatically fill. You can use this one to extract the things in the text string format. Just copy and paste in your site, that's it. So that's a document recognition. You can convert your bills to documents, document, bills into this format, the text format. And maybe not only this, not only the bills, different documents are there available. Our land document, or I mean property document, or some other document which is our normal, our tax related document, or whatever the document you already store in yourself, that also you can convert into the particular format here with the help of document recognition. So bank card. So bank card recognition also is supporting. Some application we have to fill bank card information, the bank card name and other information. So it's manual work, is a very difficult normal case, because take time, and also I had chance to get some errors there. So we can use this bank card recognition service, and it automatically detect all the information from the particular bank card, and we can use that autofill option also there. So that's it. We can use this service. And not only bank card, all other card also will support, like driving card or any other different shopping card, that also supporting. There use another different library, that's it. So we not added that features here in this slide, that's it. Language related service, text translation. See, text translation, it will translate your text into different languages. Okay, see here, he just added something hello, but it translated to some source to destination target language, that's it. So same way we can communicate with other person. Different other applications are also available nowadays in the market, which will use the same features. So you can also create these types of applications with the help of ML Kit. You can use a translator app here. Just use something like I need tea or something, it will translate that particular language, that's it. And language detection, for an example, some tool displays different language, different boards should be there. You are not aware about in which language it is. You can use this, and you can just detect which language is that one with the help of language detection. And after that, you can use text translation to translate that to the particular our language. Okay, so it's a combined service. We can combine these services to the one particular application. Automatic speech recognition. It can recognize speech and can convert speech into text. For an example, this type of application. So we can just say hello or hi, then we'll get an output in a string format. That's it. Okay, so we can create here that type of application with the help of automatic speech recognition. Not only this, just opposite one also possible, like speech to text. Now this is speech to text. Next, text to speech, TSR. Okay, TTR. So text to speech means just opposite. Your side some text is there. If you are interested to translate that to speech mode, then speech output, then that also possible here with the text to speech service that I not added here in this slide, but you will get all the details in the HMS document. So text to speech and automatic speech to text, both we can connect together. Okay, and different API we have to call for that. And image classification, we can classify our image around 400 image categories, 12,000 image categories we can detect in the cloud. And now numbers a little more, is little I think a few months before I added this, and nowadays the categories and other things are little increase, means it's not only 400 and not only 12,000. Okay, that's it. And object detection, you can detect multiple objects in an image. Okay, different 6 different types of objects are supported, and other things. And landmark recognition, for an example, you are in particular tourist place, but you are not aware about this particular building, maybe some historical related important building, but you are not aware because you are not a person who is living in that particular country. Maybe because if you come to India, Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, and different other temples also, the Madura Meenakshi temple, and different great church and other things are there, a mosque also there. So maybe you are going to visit some independence related particular place, maybe Red Fort or some other important place. Maybe the outside person means we are maybe the foreigners. Okay, we can say the foreigners are not aware about this location. We can use this landmark recognition service, and we just use that. We have to capture this one, and it will inform you the particular place. The service give you the detail about that particular landmark. Okay, with the latitude, longitude, extra image, and some information about the particular place, etc. Very interesting features. Okay, so face related, it can detect face 845 counterpoints, and we can detect the expression, like he is happy or sad or other expression also it can detect. And it can detect the gender, age, and wearers, means he's a male or female, and almost approximate age also it can detect. Very interesting. And translator, actually this app is created by our team leader, I think 1 year before he created, 1.5 years before. So automatic speech recognition, text translation, text to speech, these three services combined here means, I just explain you how this work. Input is received from end user in the form of speech. Okay, means I just inform. For an example, you reach India. Maybe some of you, you are not aware about the language. Maybe you reach one remote area, there the person know only Hindi. Okay, but you would like to communicate because something happened in your side. You need one cup of tea. So you are communicating you in your language. Okay, in your language you just use automatic speech recognition. So you mention in your language, like I need a tea, maybe English or any other language, but the person are not aware about, no idea about English. Just imagine, maybe your language is English. Okay, just imagine that way. So you are saying I need a tea, then the input is provided to first service, and the output of each service means your input reach output that should be in the text format. Here I need a T in the text, then text translation will convert that to the particular language, maybe Hindi or any other language, Chinese or whatever. So after that, that translated one Hindi, just imagine this is a Hindi language, and then text to speech work means this text into speech, then it will reach into speech, output will get the end user side, he will get something, okay, like in Hindi format. So you can display that one into male or female words also, maybe male or female, that you can select, and it will get end result in this Hindi output, and you can select male or female, and the end user will get idea about, okay, the person need a T. And this is the total concept of ML Kit. But not only this, skeleton detection and different phase related, different other services, each and everything. So many things are there in the document. Just visit. Okay, you will get idea. So I think some okay. I just reading some of your comments here, chat box, because some of them inform me that I have to share all the, all the other slide. I'll share you tomorrow. I will share all the slide. If required, I will share you. No issue for that. So limitation, I already discussed this part. And can it translate to Indonesian? Yeah. Let me check, sir. They're already mentioned which are the supporting language and other things, which language it support. And slowly, if not there, some sites it's not there, they will add within some weeks. But text translation will support almost all language. Okay, I think we can try text translation, and text to speech. I'm not sure. It will support Chinese, English, and some main languages. So that we have to check recently it's added or not. Can we make a machine by ML Kit to learn something new subject instead of just using existing capabilities? So say we have a raw data which we need to ML from what is about. We can add our own things. That option is also there. I will show you that also here. How can we train HMS new landmark? Already some landmark is there. Okay, that we can try, and I will show you this also, how we can, what is the accuracy of face recognition. Yeah, that also is there, but you know, it will from my side, I just checked some is okay, fine, but you know, they also mentioned the precision around 90%, 95, 98%, like that. But it depends, some cases maybe it will fail, but most of the case is fine. I'm just checked some so many images, it's almost is fine, no issues. But not 100%, they will not say anyway 100%, because you know, that particular service they are actually improving. If any issue that they will update a new version, and they will actually improve the quality. Still not supported. Okay, thanks. Does possible customize ML kit such as recognize as for flowers? Yeah, I will show you some samples, recognize flowers or something like that. Okay, and yeah, models. Actually, some question, few of them are we can train something, we can do our own way, something like, okay, some question I saw here, like what, how we can, so we can our own model we can create, and we can train something, that option also there. So let me share my screen. I'll show you something. You can explore that your site. Huawei, I think this is ML. See here, products. ML Kit. Okay, so custom model, we can create a custom model. So see here, text related service, text recognition, text document recognition, so many things are there. Text recognition side, you can see different language. I think here they mentioned somewhere. I'll show you. Yeah, see here, supported languages: English, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, German, French, Russian, and special for detail about cloud storage: English, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Japanese, Korean, Finnish, Spanish. I think, yeah, Indonesian is there in cloud. You can work on with the cloud and its support. Okay, so try this library, cloud one, and you can work on text recognition, document recognition. Let me check. I think we had to go that side, which is support. And okay, let me explore text recognition. So we have to create, you know, that analyzer here instance, and after that settings, we have to mention which language we are going to set language. We have to set the language, Chinese or Japanese, that language we have to mention here, set language. And after that, we have to use this analyzer, and we have to call this ML from bitmap, means the image should be in the bitmap, which image we are going to select that. So that one we have to use here in the from bitmap, you know, APIs. It's an ML frame we are using here. And after that, the analyze is asynchronous one, and the result will get here as a text, ML text. Here we have to process our code here in this particular code. Okay, that's it. The or success side which will come. So document and ID card, bank card, and language translation. Okay, real-time translation. Real-time translation. We'll see which language. I think it's there in some particular site supporting language. We had to visit that particular site. Yeah, language, but supported by translation. See. Language detection supported by translation. It's a XLX. Okay, we can download. You can check. Actually, I'm not going to check because we can download, I think, that particular one, and it will give you. Yeah, see. So it's an Excel format. Indonesian. Yeah, Indonesian is there. Okay, I think it's fine. It will supporting, and if some services is not there, not a problem. It will support soon, and others we can work on English and other language which is support if it's not there. But almost I think Indonesian also will support in most of the side. Before that, you just see if it will support or not in your language. This way you can try. Okay, and custom model. I actually plan to discuss your custom model. So we can create a custom model for train something your side, your own way. So see, you can read this custom model and AI create and other things. Okay, just some interesting article also published in Huawei forum. You can refer that model deployment and other things, local integration, cloud hosting. So many things are there. Just come to this particular. Okay, if you're interested, you can read this and you can work on this. If you're because it's not matter, but you can train on model image classification and other things. Just see how actually they mentioned here training and trained another part, test classification and object detection side also. Okay, hope already you asked something related to this. This is the one, so you can visit this link and you can actually explore more about your site in your site. Okay, so that's it. And also I will show you some an example here. This is a ML Kit example. Okay, image related service, something I show you here. So classification side, see here. So detect, I hope flower pot, flower plant. Some of you asked that it will detect something like that. Okay, so see here, it's actually detecting these things, plant and other things. And see one asked about face body related. I think image face. See age also is left eye open probability 1%. See left eye open, right eye open 1%, and glass probability 0%, 0.00 because no glass here. Hat probability is okay, fine, and age 22, no hat. Hat probability 0. See here because no hat here. And age 22 is mentioned 22, I think so, but anyone of you are doubt, you can try with your own image. I think then we'll get clear idea, because I'm also not sure about this image is 22 or other, but I think it's almost fine. And gender is female. Okay, and other information also there. So I think it's fine, this one, because I think we can move to next one. Any other question? I know this is a main topic, or most of you are interested. She's single. Yes, I guess think so. I did it in my article. Face recognition is not 100%. Yeah, it's not 100% accurate. Sometimes certain man is detected as, oh, a certain man is detected as woman. Let me check if something is there. Just you add this in the Huawei developer forum. Okay, because in some scenarios that will happen. But if you find out something, just you ask a question in Huawei developer forum and just inform. These are the things I am detect, because it's saying this man as a woman. Just add that. Means in your name some question is there, they will just check that one and they will improve, they will update that library if any parameter something happened there. So this is a chance to add something in your name in Huawei developer forum. Just do that. This kit in analyze video, for example, analyze that what is in that video. Yeah, actually I will show you something. Analyze video. So if you face any issues or anything you're finding is wrong, is coming there, it's a way to explore. You can just inform that to our developer forum, and you can raise a question there, and the experts will give you answer there. Means if any issue, that they will update that particular library, because some parameters or something, some areas is make some issue, they will update, and otherwise they will give you the answer why is happening that. See here, image related service. Yeah, language, voice. I think video related service is there. It can give the content of that particular video and something. I just search here somewhere. Face, not face body. Sound detection, audio file transcription is there. It's a one service. The audio file translation service can convert audio file not longer than 5 hours into text with the punctuation and automatically segment the text for easy understanding. Okay, this is one. Real-time transcription. Real-time, it enables your app to convert long speech into text in a real time. Sound detection. This service can detect sound even online. But video also is there. But I'm not seeing where actually is. Somewhere our caption also we can add automatically to our videos, and some other services also there. Image Okay, I think we can try here. We can see different services and you can find out. And in case I will also share you some video related service article in case tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then I think that way we can learn. Okay. Yeah. So we can use this kit to analyze video for analyze what some services are available. I just noted somewhere because if possible video service related I will share you the link, Alexander. And so sir, can you repeat step download and run demo ML kit in your phone device? Yes, I will share you that step also. Okay, this is the one. So how I here example is see here. You can download, just click this one, okay, and it will download that particular one your site, and you have to normal case copy. Okay, it's not completed. Once it's completed, I'm just going to cancel. Okay, anyway, so it should be a zip format. You can copy and you can unzip this one in particular location, and you have to open your application file, open, and select the particular location and select that particular project and click OK. Then that project will open here. Okay. After that, say you have to create an app in app gallery. You have to come to app gallery. Okay. And create a project for this ML kit or any other kit, which one you are going to download. Create one new project, my project. And after that, once it's ready, you have to create, see again, add app option should be there. Once you project created, you have to once add project and create add project. And after that, once it's ready, then you have to add app option. In that one, you have to mention app details. Each and everything is ready. Your app is created in, this app gallery, this side console. And once it's ready, then you see here, this is your app. Okay. And everything is ready. Then after that, you have to provide all the permissions. See here, once it's ready, you have to my project side, you have to come and manage API side, you have to provide ML kit permission. Don't forget this one. Okay. So come down here, and where ML kit is there, just tick that mark. Okay. So let me check where is ML. Yeah, here you have to enable this one. And after that, just give SHA-256 key and store a location. And after that, download this file, and this file agconnect service.json file. So download it, and after that, you have to open your project, and that downloaded one you have to paste into app level folder, and it will come to here. Okay. And in this folder, see, once it's ready, okay, so once it's ready, it will be there in your folder. Let me check. So remove here. Okay. For example, this is your downloaded one. Just see, this is the one. Then you will get your app ID. Okay. So the ID of the application ID. So that ID, not this one, I mean. Okay. You will get your package name. So that one should be the package. See here, that one you have to copy from your downloaded JSON file. Okay. And you have to open the downloaded projects build.gradle file in app level. So build.gradle file should be there here, and you have to come top, and application ID side should be some other ID. You have to replace with your one ID, which new ID which you copied. That's it. No other extra thing. Got it? For some cases, there will added that sometimes this your password or other things related to this one signed APK and other part. That option should be there here in this part. You can remove that one. Otherwise, you have to add that username and password, alias name, key, and you have to JKS file. You have to add here app level section if you require. That's not mandatory. That otherwise you can remove that particular code. Is some cases, some password and username should be the related to JKS file. So in that cases, that JKS file you can add into this app level folder, and the username and password which you added in that JKS file also you can add there. So this is a step-by-step process. So is it clear? Face so clear or not? Okay, fine. So no issue. Any doubt related to these things? Okay, you can use our FB group. Most of you are so expert now, or your faculty, your honors are also there. Please ask there, and if you know, you can help others. Okay, your friends, and otherwise, it's not work. Actually, HMS kits related issues you can post on Huawei Developer Forum. Okay, any issue related HMS kits, just post on Huawei Developer Forum, and after that, just post that into FP group and inform this is the issue I am facing. I posted this question in Developer Forum. If any of you can help, please reply. Then what actually you can try, not only here FP, you can directly log into Huawei Developer Forum and you can answer there if you know the solution. This way you will, we'll learn the thing and we can inform our knowledge to others also. Means all the Huawei experts will watch your answer there. So please try to do something here. It's very interesting. So this way we can work together one by one. If anything is, you can post on Huawei Developer Forum and you can answer there. You can out of topics. I have created application using HMS Kit, but my application is not running well on my phone, which is not Huawei device. There is a way of my application running well on Android device beside Huawei. So yeah, actually, this is the issue. Normally, the application which is not supporting Huawei developer, which, Huawei phone is not run. A normal HMS application will not run. That's why we are using cloud debugging and other. But it's not working in all the situation because cloud debugging also has some limitation because camera and other part. So we are planning to run in our side. Then we have to download HMS Core app in our. You can download HMS Core app, HMS Core. You can just search HMS Huawei developer HMS Core application, and you can download that to your device side. Then it will work. But that case also, some kits it will not support. But I think ML Kit and account and ads and other kits will support. So I think one article is in case a time is I will share you that article list which kit will support this HMS Core kit. So you have to download that HMS Core kit in your site, and let me check one article. Sorry. I will show you one reply from my side in Stack Overflow about this. I think this will help you for this part. The step already mentioned there. So you can also use Stack Overflow. You can also add your own, if you know some answer, you can add there and you can help others. Or if you have any question, you can add in Stack Overflow. They will give some points and other things. Just create an account, your name. Okay, it's a way to good. Your resume also will be good. Means I'm not a regular person here, but very few things only I added whenever I get time. So you can also try something. I just answer. I'll show you some answer related to that. Yeah, Android virtual device for Huawei devices. Just mention here, installing HMS Core app in your HMS non-devices. So you have to use you can install HMS Core app in your non-HMS device. Once installed, you will ask to update that. This will help you to run some kits like awareness, ML, ad, etc. in your device. Once we install, we have to go to settings, apps, and search for HMS Core and grant the location or other permission which you require. So you have to search for HMS Core app, and you can download it from outside. I think some case it will not available in Google Play Store. Then you have to download, you have to just search and you can download from outside source and you can use it. Okay, so this is the one, and we can use this way. I just share this link. Okay, so I hope somehow it will help you. Just see it. Okay, just try it. Some service will support. Okay, I think it's fine. I think Dicky is okay.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Okay, thank you. Sorry,
Okay.
because any of your questions are not covered, please ask me, because something I missed or not, I'm not sure. I'm ready to spend some more time. Anyway, we have to explain some other topic also. Sorry, we just spend extra time for some other things. Next, we had to see here audio kit. I think it's good to, we can skip this part so fast. Means it's nothing. We have to integrate audio kit in our application. Okay, so different audios like offline and online audios we can integrate here. For that, we can use different scenarios like education, sports and health, entertainment, and other related application also we can use here with the help of audio kit. Means, you know, different scenarios are the education. For an example, you are planning to some tutorial, something like, then if you integrate that one with the help of this audio output you need, then you can go with this audio kit. Okay, so all operations like playback, pause, previous, next, as extra will support, and will play different format like MP3, M4, AAC, etc. And playlist management, play mode management, etc. are there. And that's it. Okay, I'm not just, I will show you fun example here how actually is work, and that's it. And I think you just visit the article document and you will get clear idea. Not time, that's why it's nothing. Some we had to use some see something, that's it. This add online song, add asset song, something. So I just added each and every song. I added 3 songs. One is online, one is asset folder, one is raw folder in our application, and once is added, you know, see here. Yeah, now it's okay. So see here, all the songs which I added is written here. So you can see by default that notification bar said that option, you know, song of things are they displayed, and you can use this play or pause. Okay, to I think the sound is not, see here. So something is playing in background. So other one asset what I added is like that. Okay, so just added something and we can use this for demo purpose. I added 2-3 button and I use that this online song added here, asset song added here, raw song added, and it's just playing that one. So that's it. Just visit HMS document about you know, audio kit. Very easy to understand the thing, how we add the thing and other thing. And only a few things we have to bother about here, HMS audio kit. That also I think is good to explain before that, otherwise you will confuse sometime. HMS core here, see audio kit. Okay, see view document, and after that app development section, playback, audio playback management. This is the one. Okay, here we have to create Huawei Audio Manager. This is the main part. To create Huawei Audio Manager, you have to okay, you have to add these many calls. That's it. So after that, on success, Huawei Audio Manager will create it, and this one you can use Audio Player Manager and this is for play manager things, means your play, pause, and all other operations you can handle with the help of that instance. And volume up and down, each and everything you can add. Okay, we can use that services here. And online, if you this is the path for your online song, then you have to add this in the audio play item list side. And we can mention this online song or offline song. If online, you have to mention 1, otherwise 0. Okay. So if you have something in your local, then SD card, then you have to mention path like this way. And if you see here something is in your something is in your raw folder or other file, then this is something is in the raw folder, then you have to mention the path like this way. If in asset folder, you have to mention the path like this. That's it. No other difference. Because offline 0, online 1, the set online side. That's it. So all the operations like play, pause, and other things will work here. See here, play pre and play next, and all other operations like set volume, and if you want to stop, then you can stop. But APIs, that's it. So just you try this, so easy to integrate, and that's it. And next is the main part, app release. So please wait another 10 minutes or so. I will explain this part. So what's app release? So we completed, I think, around 80 kits, and you already explored so many other kits also. So once your application, your plan, you are already think about, okay, now today onwards, we can just think about one application for your final project. Think about good use case, your site, good project idea. You can discuss with your family or your friends or any of your classmates or your, your parents or your other surrounding, whoever is, or otherwise to me, or no issue. You can just think about, otherwise you can explore your side. You can just think about something and just find a good use case. You can just browse your internet and see a good project and just try to do something in your own way there. Okay, farming related or whatever, or education related or teaching related or something, or finance related, or just find out some good project idea and just try to, you will create some application, okay, within 1 or 2 weeks. I'm sure about that part. And that application is ready with some few kits. Okay, HMS kits, maybe you created an ads kit or account kit, ML or scan, whatever. Okay, so once it's ready, then your app is ready. You are going to release that to app gallery. So here we are going to discuss those steps. Okay, so I'm not going to discuss this in the slide. We can directly discuss this with the app gallery. So first, you have to open your application to app gallery. In app gallery, see, this is your application. See, which is your application? App gallery connect, my projects, ITTS demo account. This is the app which we completed 2nd week. Okay, so I just opened that one. See, I hope my screen is visible. Yes, anyone can unmute?
Yes, can see.
Yes, thanks. So here, all the app information is there, but where we'll fill other information about your app. For that, see here, my projects, you have to select my apps there. Okay, their app information is there. See, app information, package name, package type, app ID, all other things also there. Then next, you have to mention compatibility, mobile phone and tablet. Yeah, if you want Huawei watch, yes, but otherwise leave it. Okay, first these two is fine nowadays because we are not going to create any watch application. Okay, fine. And localization, language by default English, app name, fine. Full introduction. I'm going to create an app that may be related to, education related application. Then you can mention this is an, see here, mention here like this is an education app, which will something like, you can add each and everything about your, your app with features and all other information about your application in 8,000 word maximum. Okay, so it's a maximum only. So just I use 25. So it's up to you. This will give the maximum detail, maximum output about your application. Means that once read, they will get a clear idea about. Okay, so it's up to you. You can add according to your plan. This is a full introduction. This is a brief introduction. So you can mention this app features something like very few words. You can brief introduction. Okay, so few words you can mention about your app. What about this app? So just mention maybe with app name, something with you will mention your own way. You can explain the introduction part within 80 character. Okay, so just think about this 80 character. And features means you release your application with the first feature, then you're going to create another features with the next second version. Then you can mention, okay, this is a feature one. Maybe you can add integrated. Mention Ads Kit, or you can mention second added speech service or something like. Okay, so you're going to add this particular feature there. So that features, if you're interested, it's not mandatory. Okay, you can add that features here. That's the next one. Next is icon. You know, each and every app have their own icon. So you can change it later, no issue. In next version, if you're not interested in that particular icon, in another version, you can change the icon. Okay, so that icon you have to design your own way. You know, the designer, some of you are very good designer, you know. So you can design your own app icon. And I think some icon is there in my side. It's not a good icon. I just downloaded from somewhere, and I'm just going to use that here for an, you know, this purpose, this sample demo purpose. Okay, see this. This is the one I'm going to add here now, because it should go with the 512 in 512px and other 216 into 216px. Take time to upload, no issue. Take the time, and after that, see here, screenshot. That also other part. Once this icon is uploaded, we have to mention screenshot. So the screenshot, you know, nowadays if you're going to download any application, there you will get some screenshot. That screenshot will explain very well about, okay, the features and other things about your application. So you have to add some error. Okay, let me try again. Maybe my net issue. See this. Okay, I think normally it will work, but some network issue or something. Make sure that some, okay, I forgot to read that one. Some, it's not taking this much time. Okay, fine. And after that, screenshot. See here, screenshot. Yeah, it's loaded. Okay, fine. Some network issue or something. So my icon is loaded. Screenshot. I have to add minimum 3 screenshot. Maximum 8 is possible. That resolution and other part is mentioned clearly. So upload your screenshot. So screenshot should be clear and should be a good screenshot. But I just use some something, some dummy one. So it's not like this way. Okay, so your one should be a good screenshot. It actually explain the detail about your application. I think some network issue is there. That's why it take extra time. Okay, let me try with other one again. And one more is required. Okay, it, yeah, one uploaded. And the network connection is normal, no proxy. One is uploaded. Second one is going to add there. Let me try last one. I know only one will update. Yeah. So one more is there. See, then only it will allow. Already uploaded. Okay, leave it. It will come. And otherwise, after that, we'll try again. And see here, we can add introduction videos if required. And otherwise, promotion video also you are planning, you can add that, but it's not mandatory. But screenshot, that's important part. At least three screenshots you have to add. Okay, and after that, categorization. Just select your category. This is apps, entertainment, or tools, social. Okay, and see other other thing also, education. Just imagine this is the education application and it's be learning related. I'm just selecting that one. Otherwise, your app category. Okay. So which category you are one, that you can select. And after, another thing is you can save and you can go next. No issue. Data saved successfully. Okay. And try next. I don't know, it will allow me because it's uploading. So next information page. Okay. Next stage. See here. Here country or region. See, I'm just interested to release my application only to the particular region. Then you can select that region only here. See here, I'm interested Europe, Africa. Then select all. Otherwise, in particular country in Africa, I'm not interested. Then select, and you can just mention here like okay, something I'm also not. I don't know how to read some country name also. Sorry for that. Angola, I think Algeria. Okay, I'm not. I'm not interested to release this app to Algeria. Then you can unselect this. Same way in other country, other region also. If you're interested, you can go with that. Otherwise, you can unselect. That's it. Okay. And after that, open testing. If you're interested for open testing, means before app release, you are planning to test with some ID. Then you can go with that. Yes. And test period you can mention from this particular day to another 1 week or another 1 month. Just select the date and click OK. And after that, come next and new list. You can create your own new list. Okay, list name. And manually, if you would like to add, you can add the name. That means the Huawei ID here. But if you're interested, you can go with this. Otherwise, just skip it. Okay. And feedback email and other things you can mention here. And this not mandatory. If you're interested to go with open testing, then only you have to go with this. Otherwise, skip it. And app version. This is very important. Means this is the one we are going to upload our application, because after your application is created, you have to upload here. So manage package. So how we upload? So we have to click here and we have to upload. Before that, you have to create your APK. So first, you have to create your APK. From where? This is your application. Just see. This is your application. Just imagine this is all the features are there with minimal feature. Okay, just you think about some minimal features you are going to add, and there build. Okay, generate sign bundle APK. You have to click this one. Generate sign bundle APK. APK or app bundle, anything is your choice. I just select APK here. Some differences, which is some features also there in app bundle. You can refer in some article. Okay, and click next button. See here, my key store path. I had to mention my key store path. I had to mention key store password, key alias name, key password again, and after click to next. So if you are not create any key store path in your side, you can use create new option. And create new option side, you have to mention where you are planning to create this key store. And you can mention your password. Same thing you can mention here and this side. Okay, no issue. And alias name also you can mention. And your name, your organization, your institute name and country, these things you can mention and click OK. After that, you can mention that key store path and mention password, alias name here. And after click next button. Released one. Okay, should be released. And finish. You can mention a destination folder if required. You can mention that folder also. Otherwise, by default, some folder should be there. And finish it. So see here is running. So generate sign bundle is generated. So see here locate. Okay. I think it's open in somewhere. Yeah, I think it's here. Let me close so many files open here together. Okay, locate. Okay, see here release app release.apk. Okay, this is the one. So copy this. Okay, you can come directly here. Otherwise, normal case for safest side. Okay, we'll see it will drag and drop will work or not. Is it work? Fine. Otherwise, see here. No, it's not working. Okay, upload side we'll see here. Drag and drop will work. Yeah, it's working. You can use drag and drop. Upload field because no proxy is okay because that upload issue is there. Because my side some network. Okay, let me try once more. I just copy and paste this app is here. Okay, and I'm just using this particular location and open. See is work or not. It's my internet or some other proxy issue. Now it will not work and not fail. Okay, once more I will try here. Manage package. Upload. I have to select the location and the particular APK. Okay. There's no other issues. It's a proxy related issues. I'll show you with some other example. Okay, no problem. Because it's actually interrupt because some other proxy. And no issue. We'll try after some. And payment information. See here, payment. If you are going to create a free app, you can select this. Otherwise, a paid one. Just select this, and you have to mention the payment other part here. Okay, in which currency you are planning to it, and price and tax information also you have to mention. So, normal case of free app, you can go with that. In-app purchase, other things if you are interested, then you have to add that. Next is content rating. You have to mention the set. See here, content rating part. You have to click set and mention is your app can use in 3+ category users or 7+ or 12+ or 16+ or 18+ category users can use. You have to think about it. Okay, in which category is good. Then according to that you have to rate. So you have to set the rating and the age rated things. So don't violate this. Means sometimes your app is not supporting 3+ users. See here what's the condition. And then you selected the 3+, then it's a violation. So be care about this part. Okay, once it's ready, mention see here, rated by age, global, 12+. Fine. After that, privacy statement. You have to mention your app privacy policy. So if you have your own web page, you can create a page for your app privacy policy. Otherwise, you can use third-party websites. See, I'm just using one third-party website here and show you. That's app privacy policy related one somewhere. Yeah, app privacy policy generator. So I will share you this one to your site. Okay, here you have to mention your app name. I think ITTS, something like what's app name, ITTS demo app or something. Okay, so I had to mention app name here. Account application or something. What is this? Okay. Demo account and click next. Okay, then you have to select the country or region where you are locating. It should be in my side is in India. Then I have to select my country and my state. That's it. Okay. So after that, click next. And after that, you have to mention your email. This is my official email ID. So I just use that. Your side, you can use your personal, which one you mentioned is okay, fine. And after that, generate my privacy policy. It will generate your privacy policy here with a URL. See here, one URL is created. And that URL you can use. Okay, see here, I just copy that URL and just open that one. You can see your app privacy policy here in this particular job share. I just share this one. Okay, fine. And I'll share you again once more. Fine. So generated once more. I will. Okay. This is, see here. So created and copy this one, and after that you can use that one here and see here policy, privacy policy for ITTS demo account. Then it will give some basic detail about your app privacy policy, and you can use. Or so many other third-party websites also there. You can refer those things which you feel good, you can go with. But here this is a very simple one. That's why I just explained. In case you need more option, more other things you are planning to display there, then you can go with other websites. Okay, that's it. And once it's ready, see here where actually we have to, yeah, app gallery. See here. Here I had to mention this privacy policy. That's it. That you are. So this part is ready. Then now other part is not mandatory. You can skip all other steps. And release time. Immediately once approved or specify time. If you want to mention this at particular time, that time also you can mention. It's up to you. Okay. Otherwise, immediately once approved. So once we'll try again to upload our package APK. Upload. And no use because my server internet connection. That's it. Okay, I will show you with some other example. Steps are over. This is one, and one is ready. Then we have to save it, and we have to submit. Okay, so data saved. It not allow me to submit because I know this APK is not uploaded. So one is uploaded. See here, some error should be there in my side. Means yeah, it's ready. Rated, but no, it's not ready. See here, this is the problem. So again, I will try once more. Is it allow or not? We'll see. See here. Oh, no issue. Okay. I'll show you with some other example. One is submit is ready. All other steps we completed. See here another app. IUB account. Okay, HMS account. See here, HMS account. Here, same way I did each and everything. Okay, I not uploaded here. Okay, IUB account. See this. Okay, some other application, and there once we uploaded, see here version code should be the uploaded, and size and other things also. Once is done and then things are ready, see here I already added all other things, all other detail about this one, and then we can submit. That's it. Okay, only we miss this uploading part. All other steps are common. And see, it will confirm the information below is correct before proceeding. We have to click it OK, and it will, one more page will come. That page you can see the details about your application. See here, now is the app is in reviewing stage. See here, reviewing. Before that was draft. See here, your earlier one was draft, now is reviewing. So see which is countries it will support. And open testing, no. And app version, payment information free, in-app purchase, content rating, all other information are there. So it will take 2 days maximum. It will review and you will get your email about the status. Means this app is approved or app is released to app gallery or not. So one is released, you will get an URL. That's app URL. Got it? Is rejected, they will share same one email that is rejected, and this is because of this reason. Maybe some of your functionalities may some issues, or maybe is a crashing, or any other issues will be there. So then they will mention the detail. That detail you can refer, and you can use that. You can correct that one, and you can upload again. In case you are not ready, you cannot identify the reason. You can upload that reason to Huawei App Developer Forum, and you can ask the solution. Okay. So this way, your app is released within 2 days after this. So I'm not interested to release this one. So I'm going to cancel this. Okay, but you said no need to cancel, you have to wait. Fine. This much about app release. Anyone have any doubt? So all the slide is mentioned that one only. I'm not going to explain because all the things we covered here. Okay. So that's it. See here, one is ready. Your app has been approved. Before that, under review. Okay, see here and released. So any questions or anything, please? Yeah. So I will post one thing here today. Just let me post within 2 minutes. If you have any question, you can ask me right now. Please ask me if any question or any other part is doubt or is not clear. Please, another 2 minutes we can spend here. Another 2 more minutes. All of your article I will read. Sorry for the delay because I didn't get enough time for that, and I had to read very detailed each and every one of your article, and others also please post it. Okay, possible within another 2 days. I already extend the deadline, and you can work on your assignment 3. So I'll share you the screen. Any doubt, anything? As release must be done within 1 month. Yeah, but here, sir, we did some change here, some small change. I think it's good to do something here. Yeah, thanks for extend the deadline. Yes, we'll do that. But here, I'll share you the my post. Okay, see here. I hope all of you can see my screen. I just post one assignment here as a third assignment. Okay, see here. Okay, we have already discussed many HMS kits and its features. You know, ML account, location, and other things. You already export so many kits with the help of this, Medium article, you already export. Now you can start application development with HMS kits integration and find a good project idea for your final application. You have to integrate at least 2 HMS kits in the application. I mean, final application, you have to integrate at least 2 kits. In assignment 3, means here in assignment 3, you have to submit your application first version with minimal features. Means in this version, design your app home screen. You can just design your app home screen and integrate at least 1 HMS kit with a good use case. Any 1 or 2, at least 1. Means more than 1 is also acceptable. Okay, no issue. It's up to you. In next version, means after this version, you can add remaining features of the application. So minimal features. Just think about good project idea. Okay, already you wrote articles also. So good project idea with a home screen with minimal features like account or a banner ad or something, a scan or something. With minimal features, just create a version 1. Okay, it's a phase by phase. Phase, like you can just release first phase this or first version, and next one you can integrate other kits or other features, and you can upload new version. Then you have to. I will share you where you have to add that one. Once you complete the first version, publish it on App Gallery. Already we discussed how to publish the things in App Gallery, and provide your app link in the comment section of the post. Deadline is March 23rd. Okay, next Wednesday. But I know in case you are facing an issue, we are ready to extend the deadline for this one because this is the main part. Means once it's completed, you already okay with each and everything. So please try your side. I hope because most of them can submit this. And deadline is not a matter. We'll do that, but I hope most of them can complete before this March 23rd because you already know about each and everything about integration part and other thing. So fine, within one day, next tomorrow. Okay, you can within tomorrow, and you can find a good project idea. And another 2 days you can work on. Next day you can work on your home screen, and another next day you can integrate 1 or 2 kits for that project. And within another 1 or 2 days, you can upload that to, and you can wait another 2 days, and it will be ready. I think so. So see how to work, and I hope a good result here. So that's it from my end. Anything is you can ask me right now, please. Any confusion or any problems here, please? Yeah, app the final after this is a version 1 only. Okay, so next and there all the features you can include an other version, and you will get extra time. It's not a matter, but we are planning in each and everything within some days because that's good for you also. If you have any doubt, you can ask here directly, and we can correct it. So the application version, see here. That also the main important part. When you're going to integrate any application, this is a version 1. See here. Okay, now this is the version 1 here. But next time you added another feature, you can add this version code 2, and you can add 1.1 or something. Okay, this way we can increase the version. The next version we can release. Okay, don't forget about this part. So first version 1 or up to you, and next time you're going to upload, the version had to increase. I think it's totally clear. If any doubt, please ask me. Otherwise, we can bind up the session. Anyone have any doubt, please? Okay, thank you. It's clear. So others, only one. Okay, then is no other question. Then I think it's good to wind up. And today also will take extra time because we start a little late. Okay. So thank you so much. So
Thank you so much, Mr. Nitin.
yeah, thank you so much. And we'll meet next week.
Thanks a lot, Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Nitin.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. And we'll meet next week. Okay, same time.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah, anything
bye-bye.
you can ask on Facebook or Huawei Developer Forum. Please share the link. Bye bye.
Okay,
Good night.
bye,
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, sir.